Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable do not disturb mode on this device. Go to settings, tap on notifications. Here you can see the option do not disturb. Tap on this one. Simply turn on this option. Here you can see two options. Do not turn on, do not disturb for how long. We can select until I turn it off. Otherwise, we can set the time here for the from minimum 1 hour. According to your choice, you can select the time. Okay, minimum from 15 minutes. We can set the do not disturb mode on this device. And after this one, tap on turn on. Do not disturb silence calls and notifications during meetings or sleep. Okay, simply in this way we can enable the do not disturb mode on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.